shooting, buddy. You redeemed yourself. We were just setting up to call. And there's one laying, one down.
Well, we should go set up at one of these bales and try it all over again.
Good show. Okay, now we'll set up and start calling.
Yeah, try it.
Maybe we'll go get the one you shot.
Yeah, why not?
And then we'll drive up the road.
Try it
and
again.
we'll try to get him.
First one of the year is always nice to knock one down. I didn't really get a chance to call him in, but I guess you take what you can get.
What do you do, eh? It's almost even better. You don't have to sit and wait.
That's right. You don't have to get cold for it.
Holy smokes, did he spray, eh?
Yeah, that 22-250 with those JHPs, they really make them dogs hold.
Holy smokes.
Male.
Oh,
Not a really big dog.
shot him in the neck.
Yeah.
Let's go get another one.
Yeah, off to the next stand.